Introducing the Saramonic SR-EA2D, a Lightning audio interface for Apple iPhones and iPads with a 3.5mm microphone input and a headphone output. It's device-mountable, extremely low profile, and lightweight. Ideal to record lavaliers, mini shotguns, wireless systems, mixers, and other audio sources into your Lightning iPhone or iPad. It features TRS and TRRS microphone compatibility and provides plug-in power to microphones, allowing you to record nearly any microphone. You can even record battery-powered and dynamic XLR microphones with a simple XLR adapter. A 3.5mm headphone output allows you to monitor in real time while recording and allows playback without removing the interface. The Saramonic SR-EA2D is the ultra-compact Lightning audio interface that mobile content creators have been searching for, all for a really remarkable price.